Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing and a quick first impression video about this Armitron Sports digital watch. So I found this watch on Amazon, and I thought for the price was 38 euros, I can't go wrong, or maybe I would. So I thought, okay, I'll just buy it, try it out, and I'll do a quick like it or not like it. And if I do like it in the couple of minutes of the video, I will keep it. If not, I will send it back. So that's my new, let's say, methodology for the year. Let's see. Yeah. Let me take it out a little bit. The bracelet is rubbish. But yeah, here we go. LED, blue light. Let me take this off. We have a button. I don't know for what is this. It's 12 hours. Setting the time, the year, today, date or month, month. And then we have here the hour, what time it is, the date, and then the seconds. So basically that's what you get with this watch. So it's a 36 millimeters in diameter, lug to lug around 40. Lug width we have I think it's a 16 if I see correctly. Yes, it's 15 maybe. Don't even have a strap for that. It's too small. One is too big, the other one is too small. That's what happens when you just buy it leisurely and try later. But yeah, I don't think I will be keeping. This one has a reference number 408475BB5V, 40 mils in diameter. Like I said, sorry, not diameter, lug width, 9 millimeter thickness, acrylic glass, 68 grams on this tin bracelet, I would say. Stainless steel case, tonneau shape, and blue LED with 50 meters of water resistance. Yeah, what can I say more about this watch? I don't think there is anything more to say. I don't think I will be keeping it. So I will be returning this watch and putting it back in the box. Anyways, that's about it for this unboxing and first impression. Like I said, I'll keep it quick, keep it short. If you have a smaller wrist or if you like this kind of style, you might like the watch. Only disadvantage is finding a strap with 40 mil in the middle and 20 at the lugs, I think, right? 20 at the lug ends. No, even more, 22 at the lug ends. So that would be very hard to find. And for that reason, I can't have this watch because I won't be wearing it on this bracelet. So you'll find the subscription button here, 2 videos on the left and on the right that you might enjoy, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.